Painting your exterior brickwork can revive the exterior of your home, and Dulux Weather Shield has been specially designed to provide protection from all weather conditions, giving you long-lasting color now and into the future. You might be overwhelmed by the idea of painting the outside of your house, but we're here to help guide you through the steps to make it a simple process from start to finish. Here's what you'll need. For the full list, see our website. Before you get started, it's always important to check the weather. If it's wet or cold, don't start painting. You'll also need to ensure you're working on clean bricks. Use a brush to clean surfaces, clearing away dirt and cobwebs. If your bricks are new, make sure you wait at least 28 days for the mortar to be well cured before painting. If you suspect that your bricks are glazed, call Dulux Help and Advice for further information. First thing you'll need to do is choose your color. We know this can be a big decision. That's why Dulux offers sample pots and A4 color samples in a range of Dulux authentic colors. It's a great idea to test your paint shortlisted colors on your brickwork. Try painting swatches on different areas of the house and see how the color may change in different light over the course of the day. Once the big color decision is made, it's time to paint. All good projects begin with good preparation. Before you paint, be sure to clear any items from the area and lay a drop sheet. Cover any areas you don't want to paint with a good quality masking tape, including trims or windows. Double check the edges of the tape are stuck down to ensure a clean paint line. Now to painting your bricks. For a quality finish, it's important to use the right product. Dulux Weather Shield can be used for most exterior areas and is self-priming on most surfaces. Before you begin, stir your paint to ensure a consistent color across the job. Your brush and roller soak up more paint when they're damp, so wash them prior to use and shake off excess water. Just like an interior wall, begin by cutting in around the edges and hard-to-reach areas with an angled cutter brush. Depending on the depth and roughness of the mortar, brushing may also be needed along mortar lines. Now that's all done, you're ready to roll. Using an 18mm nap roller, load the tray with a good amount of paint. Start by rolling the wall in a W pattern. Continue over the same section until the wall is evenly covered. You can roll up to an area of 1 meter squared, or for larger walls, paint the wall in sections. Before the paint starts to dry, lay off each section by gently rolling down the wall slightly overlapping your previous roll. Continue this across the area you have painted. Continue working section at a time until you have completed your first coat. In normal conditions, your first coat will be dry in approximately 2 hours. Repeat this process and add a second coat. If you started with bare bricks, you'll need to apply a third coat. And you're done. Dulux Weather Shield provides a tough, hard-wearing finish, and with over 45 years of testing and knowledge of Australian conditions, you can trust Weather Shield won't peel, flake or blister for years to come. For more colour and product tips, speak to our help and advice team.
Worth doing. Worth Dulux.